My 5 steps to start your online business today. Hey everyone, Kevin speaking. Are you excited about building your 6-figure business in 2023? Well, I'm here to guide you through the entire process. So let's get started and let's talk together about everything you need, from selecting your niche, generating traffic, and choosing between creating your own products or promoting others. Number 1, choose your niche wisely. When it comes to picking a niche, don't just chase the money. It's essential to find something you're passionate about, because that enthusiasm will help you stay committed to your business in the long run. Ask yourself, what interest do you have? What topic can you talk about for hours on end? And be prepared to invest time and energy into your chosen niche for years to come, because that dedication will fuel your business growth. Number 2, build your sales funnel. I personally use Wowfair to build my entire sales funnel. There's a link in the description, by the way. Let me give you an example. I created a squeeze page, just like this one, offering a free guide with 5 tips to learn Japanese quickly. The page features a big, bold headline that grabs attention and a visually appealing image of the ebook cover, which entices potential customers to sign up and get the freebie. Number 3, create your free gift. Now, about the free ebook, I use Google Doc to write the content and then I export the file as a PDF. Once that's done, I upload the PDF to Wowfair, making it really easy for visitors to download. As for the cover, Canva is a fantastic tool you can use right now for free, or you can hire freelancers on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to create a professional design just for you. Number 4, drive traffic to your offer. This part is super exciting because there are so many ways to get your offer in front of potential customers. Short-form content like social media posts can bring quick results, but they may not be sustainable in the long run. On the other hand, long-form content like blog posts or YouTube videos can drive lasting results. Take my small YouTube channel as an example. We are consistently getting 80k views per month, and that's a lot of potential customers for a small channel. And by the way, make sure to encourage your audience to opt in and receive your free gift, helping you to build your email list. Number 5, choose your monetization strategy wisely. When it comes to making money, you've got options. I'm a big fan of creating my own digital products because the profit margins are huge, up to 100% of the sales, and the process can be fully automated. Alternatively, you can join affiliate programs that pay you for referrals. For instance, Wowfair offers up to 40% commissions on recurring subscriptions for the lifetime of the subscribers and customers. So imagine referring a customer who stays for 10 years. You could make thousands of dollars in the long run. That's it. You now have all the things you need to start your business with these 5 steps. Smash the like button. See you later in the next one.